welcome to EECE 461 Instrumentation course at AUB. We are presenting to you our very interesting project. So as you know, the BMI calculated as the weight over the height squared, as stated by the Heart Foundation, doesn't take into account the gender and the body composition. Here, we invented a new system, a new design that calculates a new BMI and incorporates the gender and the punched force.
Okay, so the system is composed of 3 sensors: a weight scale, a force plate, and an IR sensor. These 2 sensors are the same. One will measure the weight and one will measure the force of your punch. We placed an emoji cushion over here to intimidate the user. The user can choose his gender by clicking this button located in the interior of the stand. And red indicates female, blue indicates male. So if you look at the circuit, we can see that there are 4 inputs. The inputs are the weight scale, the force plate, the IR sensor, and the gender. And these BTA connectors were used as an adapter to interface the force plates with the DAC. The software is composed of this GUI. The GUI displays your score of the DBMI over 100, and whether you're fit or unfit, and the graphs to display your height, weight, and the force for the operator to understand if the sensors are working or not. The VI is shown here. So we first take in the input as your gender and push button to initiate the sequence. So the sequence is going to start off by taking your height and your weight. And these 2 flat sequences do this sequentially so that the user could just stand, and just by standing we can get the weight and the height. We filter the output of the IR sensor with a low-pass filter, and output of the low-pass filter will be averaging to get a more accurate representation, given that timing is not much of an issue. So the output of the weight and the height are sent and stored in this array. The next part of the flat sequence would be the force measurement. The user will be asked to punch the force plate, and then the output of the force sensor will be taken to a function which will get the maximum. If the maximum is above a certain threshold, indicating that the user has punched it, we end the loop and we store it in the array. And then the calculation comes in. By tuning the parameters and everything, we're able to label based on the values of your taking the BMI, and from the BMI we're able to shift the region of the fitness using the force. And then we display the label over here. This is a running demo. So this is my height, my weight, and the force, and you can see the waveforms. Okay, so this is the height after filtering, the weight after filtering, and then the force.